Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use web filter feature in Google search. Let's have a look. First, open Chrome browser on your smartphone. Then search anything. By default you will see all filters. If you would like to use web filter, simply swipe right to left on filter tab and tap web. Google search web page will reload with the web filter feature. So these are the steps to use web filter feature in Google search. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.